welcome back to a brand new video. Now today, I'm going to do a beard grooming video. I thought what better way to do an ASMR video that you guys want me to do than to do one for something I actually need to do. That makes a lot of ASMR tingly noises. So I have a YouTube event, so I thought I'd sort this out right now. Since it's very wild. So I need to do all new out here. So we gotta prep and prime it. So let's go and sort this beard out. Okay, so we have our starting products, which is my Kiehl's Facial Fuel Energizing Face Wash. So that is the first product we put on our face. This one we have here is the Lush Pineapple Facial Wash, which will help soften my beard and neck. Be liberal with this. Put as much in as you want. This helps get rid of all that beard off as well. And makes your skin nice and supple for when you trim or shave. Now it's time to rinse. Don't be scared to get in there. I feel super soft now. Hear that? So now it's time to start trimming our beard. So I have these. These are my favorite beard trimming scissors from Aprilite. If you haven't checked them out, go check out their website. They are these really perfect little scissors that fit perfectly in your hand. I've been using these for years. We also have a boar bristle brush, which is really good for under your beard hairs and brings back the blood flow to your skin as well and helps with the beard ruff. So let's start. What I like to do is buff it out a bit so I can see what I'm cutting. So I even cut out the little gray hairs that I have to, because I only have a few. See, there's a big piece here. Because this part here grows the longest. I'll use my barber here we have my beard trimmer. I hope that was fun for you as it was for me. This is where precision comes into play. So if you want to get some really good results too, make this ugly face. It literally makes all of the excess stick out, and that way you can kind of see where you're going next. There we go. Voila. I always have to do after that my moustache. I always find if you make a blowfish face, it kind of helps. It's easier to not nick yourself because your skin is tight, so you don't want to be in your pasta and then snacking on some of your beard hair. Be like, ooh, that was crunchy. If you're a guy like me who's only just starting to get a few grays here and there, it's actually easier to just cut them out. And that was me trimming. Okay, the last part I think is probably one of the most essential parts to get rid of all of the hair that's now on my shoulder and everything. Don't wash it. Get a towel like this and literally just hit yourself with it because it makes the hairs bounce off. And if you're in an area where you can just hoover up with a Dyson or something, this makes it so much easier. You can also heat your beard with it too, and it will knock all the extra fallout hair out. Now hair free. Let's move to the final part. Okay, now it's time to get ready. Gotta put my gold chain on, of course. The last product we're going to be using to set it all in place is this beard mist by the Grooming Warrior. So if you get any little flyaways that you want to get rid of, just get a little snip. Snip them out. Tell them Mike sent you. But that's it for me, guys. I'm going to go out. I'm going to enjoy this event. And I'll see you real soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little ASMR video of me trimming my beard and showing you what I get to do with this ASMR setting. If you haven't already, make sure leave a comment down below if you want to see more ASMR videos. I'd be happy to do some more on some other interesting routines. I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.